Alright, you guys, so let's have a candlestick lesson, and today we're going to talk about the bear flag, okay? Because on two trades that I'm looking at for a swing trade is they're presenting themselves, okay? Now, I talk about a lot how bear flags can kind of present themselves differently. They could kind of go up in a channel, or it may go straight across, okay? So let's go really quickly to Little Black Book of Candlestick Lessons, and right here, okay, show you guys the bear flag and what it looks like going straight across, or it may go up in a channel, pretty much how I'm going to show you guys here on the chart. And I'm going to use UPS daily time frame to show you guys exactly what that looks like. Okay, so on the daily time frame, all right, you see how we have this flagpole. So when you're looking for flags, the main thing of a flagpole is the pole and then the flag. And so if it's a bull flag, then these candles here will be pushing up and the channel will be pushing down. But even if it's pushing straight across, you always pay attention to where the pole, which direction the pole is coming from, okay? Now in this one, we have it here, okay? And then I'm going to put another one right here. All right, and now you may also notice that it's forming again here. Okay, so the outcome of that was breaking below the line and making its way down. Now, the thing is, you always wait for some sort of confirmation to break below converging trend lines, to break below, whether you're using your EMAs, whether you're using the field retracement tool, whatever you're using, you need something additional to give you some confirmation of it finally breaking below that line to begin to make its downside move. Okay, so as you guys can see, it made a damn good move to the downside, but then we have another one forming right here. Okay, and when you see it, it's like depending on the time frame that you spot a bear flag on, it kind of helps you determine how long it may take to break. In this case, this is the daily time frame. So this flag started forming way back in April, and it broke out here, pushed back up a little bit, but it used this bottom line sort of. It's not, let's see, airtight right up in here, but it didn't push too far back up, and then it started coming back down. You also pay attention to your volume. Okay, with volume, it brings a little bit more momentum to really start bringing it down or pushing it up. And in this case, it played out perfectly if you had enough time on your side to catch the move. Okay, so with it forming again here, this is another opportunity to catch this flag, to ride it down again. This is again where you'll use possibly your fib. Look for heavy support levels to the left of the charts to kind of find where you will potentially make your exit. Now, having enough time is just basically saying, all right, the flag is presenting itself, but do you have enough time on your expiration to give it time to play out? So when you spot things like this, make sure you take into consideration the time frame you're looking at. How long did that flag even take to form? Check volume and whatever other indicators that you may be using to enter this play. Okay, so this is just another one to add to your arsenal when you're trading, and whenever you spot it, it gives you an idea of the next move on that particular play. But also remember that at any time, patterns can be invalidated. Now, if you want to grab Little Black Book of Candlestick Patterns, you can find it down below or wherever you may see this video posted. I'll have the link to the book posted, and it has 50 plus candles in there, or patterns and candles for you to be able to spot on the charts, because as always, and as anyone in this game knows, that the money is in the candle. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.